Hey, fun facts, Unleashed Explorers. Today, we're talking about something sweet, sticky, and totally magical. Honey. You might think it's just for tea or toast, but honey has a whole secret life full of surprises. First off, did you know honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs, still perfectly edible after thousands of years. Imagine brushing your teeth with 3,000-year-old honey wood. You dare. But honey isn't just ancient teats, a natural healer. It can soothe a sore throat, help heal cuts, and even moisturize your skin. Basically, bees have been making medicine in liquid form for centuries. Here's a fun twist. Honey is used in science experiments. Its sticky texture can teach kids about viscosity, density, and even slow-motion physics. Who knew a spoonful of sweetness could turn your kitchen into a mini lab? And get this. Honey never spoils because of its magical chemical makeup. Low water content, high acidity, and natural enzymes keep bacteria away. It's like nature's very own preservative superhero. Oh, and did you know honey can also attract pollinators? Bees aren't the only ones. Some birds and insects are drawn to it, helping plants grow and ecosystems thrive. Basically, honey is the OG environmentalist. Here's a question. If you could use honey for anything besides eating, what would it be? A natural face mask, a DIY science project, or maybe a sticky prank on your sibling? Honey might be sweet, but it's also a golden treasure of science, history, and fun. And that's why it earns a top spot on Fun Facts Unleashed. Ready to delight and amaze.